The dean of the KAIST chemistry department, Professor Kim, wanted to design a new logo in hopes of enhancing the identity and sense of belonging of his department members. However, not a lot of students participated in the logo design contest that he held, and submissions were of low quality. When Professor Kim visited the Industrial Design Department's I2D lab, he learned about crowd versus crowd, or CVC, a novel method to include people in the design process. CVC can solve design problems that require creative solutions, engages many people, and motivates a crowd to participate throughout the entire design process. Professor Kim decided to use CVC to gather additional submissions for the logo contest. CVC requires an open platform where the design process can be shared, so we made a gallery-style website where people could upload images and post comments. We recruited 4 designers to each form a team. Because the designers did not have much of a background in chemistry, we assigned a chemistry student to help each designer. Then, each pair discussed design concepts and uploaded some initial sketches. The designers and the crowd were able to view each other's design process. Designers lead a team, share the design process, and communicate with the crowd. They are also responsible for the quality of the final design. In CVC, the crowd is motivated through prizes or personal interest. The crowd can observe the entire design process throughout the competition and define their roles within it. The designer and crowd collaborated within a team and competed with other teams in a very dynamic way. Let's take a closer look. When the crowd made a suggestion, a designer visualized the idea. The crowd also searched for relevant images on the web. The crowd's opinions helped designers in their decision-making process. The designer could also take the crowd's opinions into consideration when finalizing the design. When a crowd participant's idea was accepted, their participation level increased. The crowd participants also formed a sense of attachment through their teamwork. Some also became a fan of the designer and sent words of encouragement. On the other hand, if a crowd participant's idea was not utilized by the designer, or if his or her efforts were not recognized, the participant got disappointed and left the team. Each team kept monitoring the progress of other teams as they competed for the prize. After the CVC process, designers finalized and submitted their designs in the logo contest. Members of the chemistry department then voted on a total of 8 submissions, 4 designs that were made using CVC and 4 designs that were not. Voting results showed that Team 2's CVC design received the highest number of votes. The reward was distributed to the winning team's designer and crowd according to how much each member contributed during the design process. All members of the chemistry department are happy with the logo they made and are using it very well.